Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that pays for the storage. This ensures you manage the correct plan. Once signed in, open Google One in a browser or the mobile app so you can access plan details. Make sure you confirm your current plan name, renewal date, and billing card. You'll need those to decide if you cancel now or wait until the billing period ends. If you've shared the plan, verify who else relies on this storage before proceeding. Once you're in Google One, navigate to Settings, then Storage Plan, and tap Manage Membership so you see cancellation options. You'll either choose Cancel Plan or turn off Auto Renewal. Cancel removes the current paid benefits while stopping future charges. Follow the on-screen prompts. Google asks you to confirm your account and sometimes the cancellation reason, which helps them process refunds or credits. Be patient. The interface may ask you to reconfirm your password or authenticate. Finish by confirming the cancellation and noting the plan end date and any refund policy. This tells you when paid features stop. Once done, make sure your Google Drive, Photos, and Gmail storage won't exceed the free limit. Download or move files if necessary so you don't lose access. If something goes wrong, check you're on the correct Google account and that payments are up to date. If issues persist, try canceling from a different browser or device, which often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.